The Mirage 2000 was the dependable workhorse during the Kargil war. India preferred Rafale over Typhoon and SAAB Gripen because the AF pilots were using French-manufactured Dassault Mirage 2000 and SEPECAT Jaguar fighter jets since 1980s and are familiar with their avionics and weapons suite. According to reports, during Operation Safed Sagar from June to July 1999, 2 Mirage squadrons flew a total of 514 sorties and dropped 55,000 kilograms of ordnance. Rafael is a world-class fighter jet which has proved its mettle in Afghanistan and Syria, and it is equipped with top-of-the-line technology including its own stealth suite, while Su-13K has never seen real combat and is not combat-proven. The French Rafales have been engaged in countless combat missions where they demonstrated a very high proficiency. India's Rafales will come equipped with mettle and MBDA Scalp cruise missile, which will give the AF an unprecedented standoff air-to-air and air-to-surface capability in conflicts on either front with Pakistan and China. Reports say that the fighter jets will also deploy the in-development BrahMos NG missile when the system is ready from 2021. The MBDA Scalp and BrahMos will provide planners with unique subsonic, supersonic standoff attack options available to no other air force in the world. Rafale's Spectra Electronic Warfare System (EWS) is immune to enemy radar jamming and provides outstanding survivability against the latest airborne and ground threats. The outstanding capability of Spectra regarding airborne threat localization is one of the keys of the Rafale's superior situational awareness. Developed by Thales, the front sector optronics' FSOS powerful TV sensor is truly valuable to positively identify targets in situations where a visual contact is required by the rules of engagement. The Rafale is easier to maintain. For ground attack missions, Su-35's cost of operating per flight hour is expensive compared to that of the Rafale. Also, India already operates 272 Su-13K which are similar in performance capabilities to the Su-35. India already operates the high-end Su-13Ks and is also going to induct the light spectrum LCAs. It needs to fill in the intermediate role for a combat aircraft which has both air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. Rafale has a lower RCS compared to the Su-35, which means it can undertake both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The Rafale has low wing loading capability when compared with the Su-35, and even with Typhoon, this results in good turn performance. The French aircraft has an optimized airframe and it can be flown with rapid reversals of flight directions instead of rolling pulls due to the placement of canards. This feature helps the pilot to control the flight easily at a high angle of attack. According to reports, Su-13K has a Pacer radar which is far less powerful than Rafale's ASA radar. In a beyond visual range (BVR) combat, a Rafale will have an advantage of the first look first shot, as it will detect a Su-13K first before a Su-13K detects it. Rafale has groundbreaking U-suite in form of Spectra system which carries out reliable long-range detection, identification and localization of threats, allowing the pilot to instantly select the most effective defensive measures. Reports say Spectra gives Rafale firing solution with one precision at 200 kilometers. The outstanding capability of Spectra regarding airborne threat localization is one of the keys of the Rafale's superior situational awareness. The Spectra now includes a new generation missile warning system that offers increased detection performance against the latest threats. According to Dassault engineer, the minimal radar cross-section of Rafale should be 0.05 to 0.1 square meters class, while Su-13K lets out a huge RCS of 10 meters square, unarmed, and 20 meters square, armed, due to its larger size. Apart from that, Rafale makes extensive use of radar-absorbent material, RAM, in the form of paints and other materials to avoid radar detection, while